Hey guys, it's Anissa. So today's video I'm going to be talking about apple cider vinegar hair rinse. We're talking about all the benefits of it and how you should use it. So go ahead and keep watching if you're interested in seeing how to use apple cider vinegar to transform your hair. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so I haven't done a sit down video in a while, but I decided to do this one because I've been using the apple cider vinegar hair rinse for like about over a month now, probably like 2 months now, and I love it. If you guys already subscribed to my channel, you know I tone my hair, so my hair is usually blonde, but it's like this weirdish brown color now because I toned it pretty dark, but I've been using this apple cider vinegar hair rinse, and it's really acidic, so my toner is kind of washing out because of it, but it's so worth it because my hair has been feeling so healthy ever since I started doing it. So I've been doing it once a week on my wash days. The benefits of using an apple cider vinegar hair rinse is, one, it helps remove a lot of the product buildup, and since it's been colder, I've been having a lot of buildup on my scalp and a lot of like dandruff, which is kind of gross to say, but I will show it later in the video. It also helps to balance the pH in your hair, and I know when we think of pH, we think of like more other parts of our bodies, but your hair also does have pH balance. And since my hair, I have bleached it in the past and I've toned it, my pH is all out of whack, so this does help balance the pH in your hair, which is really important to maintaining healthy hair and getting those long locks that we all want. Since I've been using it, I personally feel like my hair has been so much softer. It's been really easy to detangle. I do have a really bad detangling problem. My hair gets tangled very easy, very fast. And if you know me personally, I literally get like dreads in my hair because my hair gets so tangled. But since I've been using this rinse, I feel like all my detangling has been very easy. I don't know exactly the science behind that part of it, but I just want to throw that out there because my hair is very tangle prone. Okay, so if you do have color treated hair, apple cider vinegar helps to close your cuticles. So when I bleach my hair, it's like stripping all of the darkness from my hair because my hair is naturally like very dark. Since I did bleach it, it's opening up my cuticles and in turn making my hair pretty unhealthy. So by using an apple cider vinegar hair rinse, it's helping to close those cuticles, because if they're closed, it makes your hair look less frizzy, more shiny, and it holds in the moisture way better than when they're open, because all the moisture is just like easily leaving your hair, if that makes any sense. So now I'm going to get into how often I use it. So like I said, I use it once a week before I wash my hair. So on the same day as I wash my hair, I do the apple cider vinegar rinse. Just depends on how tangled my hair is. Sometimes I'll do my deep conditioner first and then use the apple cider vinegar rinse, then shampoo, then regular conditioner, if that makes any sense. How I make it, so I literally just get a Tupperware container. I'm going to show a video. I'm going to pour an amount, I don't know the exact measurements, but I pour some apple cider vinegar in it, and then I pour some water in it. And then I pour some apple cider vinegar in it, and I just try to get it to look a certain color. The type I use is the Bragg's Organic Apple Cider Vinegar with the Mother. I got this one, has honey in it, and I just thought it'd be more beneficial for my hair since I have used the honey hair mask before. But yeah, this is the one that I got and I love it. And if you guys are wondering what the Mother is, it says the Mother. Make sure you get apple cider vinegar that has the Mother raw and unfiltered, because that just means it is more pure and more like organic and natural. So the Mother is basically like all the stuff you see on the bottom is the Mother, and that's basically like the healthier parts of the apple cider vinegar. So you want to make sure you shake it up before you use it, just to get the Mother all throughout it, you know. So now we're gonna fast forward to some clips of me using it, and you guys, it's really easy to use, literally just use in the shower. But yeah, I'm gonna fast forward to that so you guys can watch me using it in real time.
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should have listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Said I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I've been there, swore that I catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it. Oh. And I know you're probably thinking I ain't worth shit, but I never want anyone to bring you any harm. And I take it all back just to have you in my arms. And I know for a fact who you are into the heart.
Don't think you can help
Okay, so you guys saw how I used it, and it's really easy. It doesn't take a lot, and all you need is literally a bottle of this, water, and a Tupperware container, and you're good to go. So comment down below if you guys have any questions. I can also do more videos on it, more in-depth video if this was enough. Like, I'm not a professional or anything, but this has helped my hair, and like you guys know, I do have bleached hair, I do have color treated hair, so it's important for me to like do all that I can to keep my hair curly and not as damaged as I have made it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Go ahead and subscribe if you aren't. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching this video, and if you guys didn't know, I will be doing a giveaway soon, so I have to hit 5K, so stay tuned for that one. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video.